if you sit in one Shaktipada and feel so ecstatic for 6-7 hours, don't feel pride about it, or don't think, oh, it is so nice. I had 3-4 hours or 6-7 hours of ecstasy. Next 2-3 days, I don't need to attend the satsang. No. It has to become, if you had a breakthrough and today you had a 6 hours of ecstasy, tomorrow you should make sure it becomes permanent in you. That's it. Breakthrough to breakthrough. Give breakthrough to breakthrough itself. If you did workout with 10 kg dumbbells today, your system is capable now, the muscles are built, so tomorrow go for the breakthrough. Because now the muscles are more stronger. You can't think, tomorrow I'll do 12. No, muscles are stronger. So give a breakthrough to yourself. Don't take your mind into consideration. When you cognize you, your goal, your existence, your manifestation. Paramashiva and you are in the relationship of hologramic existence. How much ever small you feel about you, you are a smaller, maybe smaller hologram of Paramashiva, but not anything else. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. If the hologram is taken away from a hologram, the hologram remains as hologram. The hologram which is taken away from the hologram also remains as the hologram. The hologram which is taken away or from which it is taken away, both continues to remain as a hologram, and both continue to remain as a hologram. Because of that, we cannot use the word called both. This is the left translation. Purna remains as Purna when Purna is moved from the Purna, because Purna remains as the Purna when the Purna is removed from the Purna. You cannot call that Purna is removed from the Purna, and you cannot call there are two Purnas, one Purna removed from one Purna, both Purnas remain as Purna. No. When Purna is removed from the Purna, Purna remains as the Purna. Because Purna remains as the Purna, you can't call Purna is removed from the Purna. You can't say there are two Purnas which continues to remain as Purna, and you can't say Purna is removed from the Purna. Purna can be added back to Purna. Purna remains as Purna. When you go through any idea of removing, adding 1, 2, 3 or no number, Purna remains as Purna. Purnamata Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. The beauty of the truth is, if you spend a little time with it, the delusion dissolves. Only when you are agitated, the layers and layers of delusion covers you, forces you to take wrong decisions. I have seen sometimes people, when they have this click and feel conscious sovereignty, they start getting the fear. I should retain this. What should I do? No, you don't need to retain. Because Paramashiva is inside you. He is going to retain. And you can't lose it. You need to attend only to your body. Make your body healthy. Spiritually healthy.